Hi my friends, back again here with me, Kerti here. So today we are going to make one of Balinese traditional offerings type. So we call this Tamiang. So here we go, let's start. To create this Tamiang, we actually need 9 young coconut leaves. So we call it janur here in Bali. So we'll create the design first. We are using 9 coconut leaves for the main design of this Tamiang. And for the Tamiang decoration, we are using a plastic ribbon. So we cut it like this. Now let's combine everything. So we fold it and then put the ribbon on top of it, then stick it. And we make this for all 9 design. And this is how you combine everything. So we combine them all just like circular design. Just like this. So we stick them with bamboo, small bamboo, and we call it here semat in Bali. Next, we create the top design and then the bottom design. Tamiang is a decoration that we should hang at the top of the statue or our house. And its meaning is much more than just a decoration. So Tamiang itself is a symbol of self-shield from negative thought, such as loba, it's called greedy, kroda or anger, mada or arrogance, and moha. Moha is ignorance. And Tamiang usually hang on Kuningan Day that falls 10 days after Galungan Day here in Bali. So that's all for today's creation, guys, the Tamiang. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your time, and please put your comment down below. If you like this video, please subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.